everybody, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. I just unboxed all these shoes from a bulk case, and I want to tell you how much I think I can make. Okay, so I added up all the numbers of all these shoes. They're really, really nice ones. And so as you look at some of them, you kind of get an idea what condition they're in. Uninspected returns on this box, 37 items. It was a shoe box. I paid $94. Shipping was $30. Total with taxes and shipping was $128.75 per item. $3.48. And as you look at some of these shoes, you definitely can tell these are worth more than $3.48. Some of them are in really great condition. Some of them come in the original boxes, but all of them, almost, yeah, every single one of them comes with the tags. So I can sell them new with tags. I'm just going to make sure that they're not dirty or broken or ripped or anything like that to make sure I'm selling a good product. So I added all of these up, 37 pairs of shoes, and what I did was I know about what they go for on Poshmark and eBay and various other platforms, and so I looked at all those different things, and I believe that I can make about $418 on just these 37 pairs of shoes. If I take away the $128.75, I'm making $290 on these shoes. Now, some of them I'll sell for less than what I asked for. Some of them I'll sell for more than what I asked for. But I've got shoes that I can sell for right around $30 all the way down to $5. But the average for these 37 pairs of shoes is going to be $290 is what I'll make. And that's after I pay myself back the $128.75. Now, that price is after I pay all of my platform fees, whether it's PayPal, eBay, Poshmark, all of that. Anytime I give you guys a results number, it's after fees. And so I'm talking $290 actually in my pocket for my own profit. The hardest part about this lot is I see 4 or 5 different pairs of shoes I want to keep myself. And to be honest, I'm usually really, really, really good with self-control, but I am not going to be, because shoes are a girl's best friend. And so I will be keeping some of these shoes. Probably if I can find my size in these. I love these, so I probably will keep those. And then my daughter's feet are this size, so I will probably keep these because kids' shoes don't sell for as much, but I'll look them up and see how much they're worth first, and then we'll go from there. So, hope this has been helpful to find out how much things will go for, especially in an uninspected returns lot that ended up being everything was brand new with tags. So I'm super excited about that. Had a couple of things that had condition issues, but I will definitely see if I can sell them still. And but I'll definitely divulge what kind of condition they're in. Hope this has been good and helpful. And if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Click that notification button so you know anytime I get new stuff. If you love anything behind me, go check out my website, hookedonpickin.com, or my Poshmark site, or my eBay site. All of this stuff is on there. Anything I sell on Amazon, you don't see anymore because I send it to the warehouse. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.